Every year before Chinese New Year, many families in China make 腊肉, Chinese cured pork, at home. When winter arrives, you can see 腊肉 hanging everywhere in China. Rolls of meat slowly smoking or drying in the cold air. A sure sign that the new year is just around the corner. It's not just food. It's a tradition passed down from generations. If you're familiar with bacon, you will recognize the idea right away. Different seasoning, different tradition, but the same idea of curing meat for winter. There are two main kinds of 腊肉. One is smoked over a wood fire, the other is air-dried. Now that I live overseas, I don't have a wood fire or smokehouse, so I'm using my mom's 30-year-old recipe to make the air-dried version. When the weather turns cold, that's when we start. I like using pork belly. Don't wash it. Just pat it dry and cut it into long strips. Traditionally, 腊肉 is made with high-proof Chinese liquor. Since I'm overseas, I'm using vodka instead. It helps keep the meat safe and let the seasoning penetrate better. The seasoning is simple. Water, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, and sugar. You can find the full recipe in the description below. Simmer the spices in water for a few minutes. Add the rest of the seasonings. Once it boils, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Pour the cool sauce over the pork, making sure every piece is well coated. Cure it in the fridge for 4 days, flipping it once a day. When time's up, hang it up to dry and let time do its work. Because my pork pieces are small and the weather is sunny, it only takes about 5 days. Look at the color. You can already see the oil coming out. Freeze them and you can enjoy them for months. I love steaming 腊肉 and slice it up. It tastes just like home. You can also stir fry it with vegetables, like chili peppers, onion, or leeks. This is the flavor of winter, the flavor of home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.